Before we start, I'll ask Reverend Jodie to say a prayer for us before we open up our ceremony.
Pero pau hamasan behega di mautola foi ahoni. Ko tahai aho o mo ui kumau ia. Ko whakahoko e man ia Solomon ka ma Jodie. O kumau whakawhetai ko hi ko whakahewhata mamari e kua whai. Ia tongi e manawa ko e fua ko tāpua ki ai o tua. Ia lama ka ma sinati. Ke vegia ai loa ka moka. Ai ngai mama ba vegia ka urumotua. Ke mo ngai tu ko to pe I he family putalai ai mahuinga o ma tonga. Gula mare be ka re mo eki maru be ka do Muhammad pura. Pe pe ke fana wa hoi kulo Kuma whakawhetai maro si kau takilot. Maro ai family me makai ngatoa bea ke ngai mahen. Maro na whakatapua le leo ai ahoni. Toka merina mo fia. Ko ia kuma tuku haka hapai ki hoa fio ai whei lau ko moi ia ke mahu inga o ai ahoni. Ke whakatuku laki ai fia mo tapua ki. Ko ke hanga tuku whakakameinga pe a tāpoi kina aki a hamari koe ni ia Solomon mo Jodie. A whio ki he ngai teo kutoa pe, ua pelei mo masan, pe a teo ki mautol ke maumau ka aho loto fia. Pe ka maumau ai o wha, pe ka maumau ai hamalohi. Lawa ai hamau ngahi whatungia e presisu ko alo ka mau whamu eme.
Thank you, Sandor. Okay, before we start our program, again, greetings to everybody from both sides of the families, from Mopeti and Asnade Tuiano, and Tailoa and Laukau, to everybody that's here to celebrate the special day of Jodie and Solomon and Tuiano. Adona Maamaloa, Motor Koto, Mulag Mayahoni, ke tau Fakafiefia, he aho koeni koa Jodie mo Solomon and Tuiano. Pete ala tu kule whakatonga o he o le whakahamoa, whakamonemole anu ia te au. E wei lahi pe alo me kau hamoa, kumani koe hamoa. Kau kou ilo pe, te mo understand o kule whakatonga. So before we start, I'm your MC for today. My name is Finau Paletoa. And for you who don't know me, I am Solo's first cousin. So today I will be the MC. I'll be telling the jokes today. And if you start laughing at my jokes, I will ask you to leave the premises. And if there's anybody else that tells jokes and you're laughing at their joke, I will ask you and the person that told the joke to leave the premises as well. Because today is not just about Solo and Jodie, it's about me as well. I want to take a bit of the spotlight today. So before we start, I will ask Asnate Tuiano to come forth to do the cake. Hokat e patongia ai pae, ke ai keke.